So this is the finished product of gajar halwa or carrots sweets. Now we have to taste. Bismillahi wala barakatillah. Yummy, yummy. I have half kilogram of carrots. So what I have to do is I have to grate this one. I will use this, not this one. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going again to make recipes. So these are all the ingredients. Half kilogram grated carrots, and I have coconuts, raisins. Where is there is peanuts, walnuts, and half cup of sugar, and I have evaporated milk and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is raisins I put in water. And what is more, if you have butter, then you can use, but I don't have butter because my homemade butter is not ready. So I put already pan here in stove, so must be the flame is high. Now we can put now this carrots here in pan. Without oil this pan. And then we have to cook this one for 5 minutes until this water become dry. Then we will put sugar. Now it's time to put now this sugar. Now we have to put now this oil or butter. And then now next we have to put now all this raisins, coconuts, walnuts, and peanuts. This is common sweets in Pakistan nationwide, especially during winter because season of carrots. And today, by the way, today is Shabi Barat. And after 2 weeks, there is already a start for Ramadan. So that's why I will cook today gajar halwa or gajar sweet. Now we will put now this evaporated milk. I have half here, so I will put here. And cook this one for 5 minutes until become dry this gajar halwa. Every year I'm cooking this gajar halwa 1 time, 2 times, 3 times like that. Now I have to add more because if you put more milk, then it's more tasty. Must be dry. This is already cooked, but we have to cook more in or 1 minute more. The taste is like in Tagalog, Filipino sweets is like bukayo. So this is our bukayo here in Pakistan. Instead of coconut, so we use carrots. Carrots bukayo. Gajar halwa. We call it here in Pakistan nationwide gajar halwa. Gajar means carrots. Halwa is sweets.